College is more efficient when you're managing to some sort of endpoint. I'm talking about there's a career that you want to jump into. There's a certain job you want to have when you leave college. When you're doing that, college is more meaningful, it's more exciting, and you'll do better. If you don't know what that is, I mean, you're going to college, it was your next step, and you just haven't quite figured out what you want to do. I want to break the news to you. This is an urgent topic, because if you are thinking you might do one thing or you're not sure what you want to do, then you think you might want to do something later, then you change your mind and do something. You know what that does? That extends the amount of time that you're actually going to be on campus, because when you change majors after your first year, that can extend the runway of it's going to take, and that's going to also accelerate the expense of going to college. Switching career ambition will affect all your academics. We talked about hit your majors. It's also going to make it more difficult to get internships potentially in the field that you want to work, because you haven't figured that out yet. And also the development of your network, which is key. Remember, you're going to college. Optimally, you are simultaneously not only doing the academics, but doing job search. Most institutions actually underplay this early on. I couldn't be more clear. The moment you step on campus, you're in the job search mode. So how do you sort out, hey, what do I want to do with my career? I don't know. Well, here's a technique that might help. It's called library discovery. Once or twice a month, let's say every month, you're going to go to the library for a couple of hours, and you're going to go ahead and try to figure out, what do I want to do? Your mission there isn't to do any homework, not to catch up on emails, not to do any social media, none of that. It's you want to deeply contemplate, what do I want to do with my life and career? So you turn off social media, you turn off your emails. If you got a laptop, I'd turn off your phone completely, but you're going to want to have your search engine. And if not, you want to go ahead and make sure you have one of the community computers that you can go ahead and do some search. You view periodicals, you look for articles that might show you a job or an industry or a trend that might be appealing to you, kind of excites you. Then you see, what are people doing to go ahead? Let's say it was clean energy, and you want to go ahead and say, what companies are viable in that? Who's leading? You know, what kind of employees are they looking at? And then you want to search for more information. You might say, hey, here's a leading company. What are their 3 top competitors? And take a look at there. Maybe look on the website and see, are they hiring? They're doing internships. I mean, this is all about trying to get something that sparks that imagination and sparks your heart, where you want to go ahead and dive into it, and it makes life more exciting. From there, you can engage faculty, you can do informational interviews, and you continue the quest for trying to figure out what you want to do. See, careers are intentional. Sorting out your career that excites you, that energizes you, will put the wind to your back. But you've got to be proactive. So good luck. Woe is the upperclassman who is yet to do so. The senior that wishes, if I had only started earlier. I mean, I'd love to change right now, but my parents would kill me. I counsel students all the time, and I hear this all the time. I can't change. It's too late. There's no more money for college. Not you, because you're going to attack this as soon as you get on campus. And if the progress is slow, then go a couple times a month. Listen, if you did a couple hours a week and you're doing that, there's nothing wrong with that as well. Because when you go ahead and figure out where you're going, it's more certain clarity and excitement in getting to that destination. Good luck. You can do this.